We're gonna see if our jet engine has enough thrust to push Monster Max. So we're gonna fire this up now. Just hold him down with your hands or something. First, we need to turn the cock on. I don't need these. Dude, where's the equation to the successful launch?
I thought you said this guy knew what he was doing.
Can you help me look for it?
Let me just clean that up.
Hey, boss. Cody, that's not how you clean it up.
Grab the fire extinguisher! What the hell?
Dude, where's all the fire extinguishers?
He told us to turn on the flamethrowers.